All right, here we go. Time to put these on here, start assembling this so I can weld this together. It's time to get the tubing down and start putting this together. Whoa. There we go. Just like Lego. Just like Lego. And this is my number 1 bar. That's for the drive shaft. Another set right here. I gotta make little things to come up here to hold this. It'll be a hold down probably here, and then there'll be a hold down here from the bars coming down to here. Alright, so this is going to be probably, this will be for my ride height is 4 inches. So that would be, oh, this is 4 inches right here, right? So 4 inches. So that's where the number 1 bar will be sitting off the main rail. I'll make a D for here, and then another one here to hold that bar is going through here. So that's the number 1 bar. Let's continue on. So this should go back here. Okay, so these plates will go on, these plates here will go on the bottom of here, or actually, no, they're going to go on here. What I'm going to do is make a U out of that, so it captures here, and then I can weld it across here. However, or I might just do that and put it on top of here. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to put a screw. I'll put a plate inside here, and I'll put a big bolt and a nut in here for adjusting. And then on the side, I'll put a wheel, a caster. So, I'll have 4, 1 in each corner, just so I can move it around. And then when I set it up, then I'll just screw out the nuts and just take it off, and then just take it off the casters. So that's basically it. And then I'll have I plan on having some plate here. I don't know I might just go to 3/16. I think 3/16 might be enough. And I'll put another one of these across to support. Because what I was going to do is put it in sections. So if I put another crossbar here, then I want to put it up, just the plate up, just so it's flush with these. So 51 inches in between, so like 24 inches is the standard. We're at 50, 51, so that's 25. 25 and a half. So yeah, right about here is about half. I could probably do this in to make it a little better, but so I can have a piece here. So I can have 2 pieces here, right? So I can take off this plate here, or this plate here, and I'll probably have to run something across here. Maybe some 1x1. I'll run across here, or in between here, sorry. Give it support between the 2 bars. I just want to make the plate small so I can unbolt it and make it lighter so when I do move it. These will be, I was planning first on welding these on here, but I may end up putting a flange on here, and then just running bolts, welding up some angle iron here or something of that nature, and then so I can run bolts through here, so I can bolt this thing together and then unbolt it, make it portable. That I'm still working on, but for now I'll probably just tack it together, weld together like this, and then on the second design I'll make some flanges. So I want this thing to come apart at some point, and then I can bolt it back together. All right, so that's the start, putting the jig back together, and next thing to do is just get my tubing, and then we'll start cutting some basic pieces, and we'll start laying out the floor here. All right, this is David Miazga with David Miazga Racing, Dad Phil Racing, the Budget Pro Mod channel. Have a great day. Peace out.